have an awesome workout plan for you today. We are going to be using a exercise ball and it's going to be awesome. Okay, so we're going to start out with our warm-up. We're going to do that standing hip flexor stretch. So I want you to tuck your hip underneath, feel that really good stretch, that front hip flexor. Reach over to the side, so reach, 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 and then back, and then reach, 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 and then back. You're going to do that 8 times on each side. So you're going to feel that really good stretch, that hip flexor. We're going to elongate the whole body, get that hip warmed up, and do that 8 times on each side. Next one we're going to do is that knee hug, the standing knee hug. So pulling that knee into your chest, alternating sides each time. Really getting those toes flexed towards the sky, feeling that stretch through your hip. Next one, we're going to reach our arm up to the sky, grab a hold of our toes, try to get that knee right next to the other knee. We're going to do that quad stretch with a reach. So you're going to feel that really good stretch to the front of the body. And then switch sides, same thing, other side. If you need to grab a wall or something else, you can do that. Also, just try to get your gaze in front of you. That'll help. So go ahead and do that 8 times on each side. This next one's going to be our Frankenstein Kicks. So toes flexed towards the nose, straight up, kicking towards that hand. Okay, so you're going to do that 8 times. And then go ahead and switch sides to the other side. Next one, we're going to do those forward and back hops. Just jumping forward and back, 8 times forward, 8 times back, warming up those ankles, toes, getting our heart rate going a little bit. Same thing, we're going to go side to side hops. So back and forth, side to side. Woo! Here we go, feeling like we're skiing. All right, the next one we're going to do is our squat to stand. So reach those arms up to the sky, step behind, up, up, pressing through your heels. Really work on trying to, when you're down, get your arms all the way back and then push through your heels each time. This next one we're going to do side to side lunge. So all 10 toes pointing forward, step together, other side, alternating back and forth. So really pushing those hips back, stepping together, other side, step together. So alternating side to side. Okay, last one, we're going to do that reverse lunge with a reach. So you're going to reach up towards the sky, pull through that front heel, alternating sides. So reaching up, pulling through the front heel, alternating sides, getting as tall as you can. Okay, so for our workout, we are going to be using our exercise ball. I have 4 exercises for you. We're going to go ahead and do these exercises 3 to 5 rounds. We're going to do each exercise 15 times, okay? Super simple, super fun, and challenging with our exercise ball. Okay, first one, we're going to lay on our backs. So first exercise here, we are going to be laying on our backs. We're going to do a little core section before we start. I forgot about this, but we're going to do our core section first. Then we're going to go into our 4 exercise workout. So core section, we're going to do hands here, knees here. Press your hands into the ball, knees into the ball. We're going to do our dead bugs. So your back is flat against the ball. I want you to go opposite arm and then opposite leg. Okay, so this is really working your core. Notice that I'm not moving the ball, only my arm and leg. You guys, this is a burner. You're going to feel this. So keeping that ball as tight as you can in between your knees. Next one, we're going to do our plank on our ball. So if you want to know how to do a perfect plank, go ahead and watch my how to do a perfect plank video. Now we're going to transfer that onto the ball. So palms are going to be facing up, toes are down, elbows into the ball, and we're just going to hold here. So I want you to hold this for 40 to 60 seconds, okay? So I want you to go back and forth and do those 2 exercises 2 times through. Then we're going to go into our circuit of our 4 exercises. Okay, so for our 4 exercise circuit today, with the ball that we're doing 15 times, I want you to place your heels onto the ball for our first one. This is our hamstring curl. Okay, so if you've ever done these before, you know these are zingers. You're pushing your heels into the ball, lifting your hips up, pulling back with your heels, pressing back out, and then coming back down to the floor. Lifting up, pulling back, down, and back out. I want you to go ahead and do 15 of those. Next one, this is a challenging one, you guys. So We're gonna do our feet on the ball push-ups. Okay, if you haven't mastered push-ups on the ground, maybe just do push-ups on the ground. But if you want the extra challenge, we're gonna do feet on the ball. So if you wanna know how to get on the ball, I like to put one foot onto the ball, the other foot comes out in front, my hands come down, and then I bring my other foot up to meet it, okay? So now my feet are on the ball, so I'm a little bit unstable, and I'm gonna do my push-up. So remember, my elbows come down to that slight Y, coming down, pressing up, coming down, pressing up. Okay, so that you're gonna go ahead and do that one 15 times as well. Next one, we're gonna do our reverse lunge with our ball overhead. So what the ball does for you is it works your shoulders as well as helps you stay tall with your chest. You're gonna grab a hold of the ball, we're gonna step back, and we're gonna do that reverse lunge, alternating sides. So again, we're doing 15 on each side, so it's gonna be 30 total. Alternating back and forth, keeping that ball right above your head and working those shoulders and those legs and that core all at the same time. Okay, last one in this 4 exercise circuit, it's gonna be our W's. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and place your stomach on the ball, and feet are going to be just behind you. This is also going to be working the backs of your legs. So if you've never done this before and you're new to using the ball, go ahead and place your feet against a wall. So you can do it like this, where your feet are actually up against a wall. For more challenge, you can move off the wall. And what we're going to do is our arms are going to go up above our head, and we're going to squeeze our shoulder blades, pulling back. So my thumbs are up towards the sky, squeeze my shoulder blades, pulling back, reaching up, squeeze, and back. Pull, squeeze, and back. So I'm looking down at the ground and squeezing my shoulder blades each time. So do each of those exercises 15 times and shoot for 2 to 4 rounds. You guys, this one's gonna be awesome. I can't wait for you guys to try it. If you love this workout, go ahead and follow me on YouTube at Kloster. Hit subscribe. I put a new workout out every single Monday, or follow me at Shine Fitness on Facebook or Kloster. Thanks so much for watching.